Welcome everyone. Today we are doing a par 3 challenge. Well, I played a full 18, but I recorded the par 3s and enjoy.
So par 3 into the wind, hitting a 5-wood, which is normally far too much club, but with any luck it'll balloon up and get me where I need to go. That, I think, is pretty good. I'm known to miss these. So second to the par 3s, different group in front of me now. The guys who I was castigating before have let me play through. Bit of a nemesis hole for me, this one, as you all probably remember. So I'm going to hit a 7-wood, get it up in the air, start it out over that bushy tree, let it drift in. That's the plan anyway. We'll see how well it goes. So, bit of a cross slope. Aim about 2 feet outside the hole, hoping it will drift back. It did, but I need to hit that just a little bit harder, I'd say. Tricky distance now. Be ashamed to 3-putt this on camera. Look at that. Second par 3. Second par. This is the 11th, which is the third par 3 in the course. A little bit downhill, wind behind. It's about 125 meters. I tend to play this hole poorly, which is a bit of a trend for me in general. So I'm going to hit a 8-iron, and we'll see what happens. Right, so these gentlemen have just gotten off the green. Slow play today. Anyway, we will see what we can do. At least I've already made an excuse in case I miss it. That I have to wait too long. Let's see what happens. Meh. It's fine. Dead at it. Quite a bit of pace. Well, when I say dead at it, what I seem to have meant was 1.5 meters to the right. So, I think it's slightly left edge. So that's where we're going to aim. And if this were not being recorded, there would have been quite a lot of quite bad language there. That was a putt I felt I should not have missed. Still, bogey golf. Fine, apparently.
There's no voiceover on this one because I was quite focused. I'd played a couple of pretty good holes, a couple of par 4s where I'd parred and or bogeyed, and it's hit some really good shots, and I really wanted to make this last par 3 a good one. Trying using the zoom in feature to try to actually see the ball land, but the camera quality is just not good enough for the mid-air eyeglasses to pick up the ball at that distance. But here we go, on the green, regulation again for the third time, which is great on the par 3s. Pretty good putt. And then we're going to close this out with a 2 putt for a par. So 4 par 3s, 3 pars, 1 bogey. Decent, I'd say. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and do all sort of other good stuff. Check out my other socials. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Instagram. I'm not on Facebook because, while I'm old, I'm not that old.